So today we are going to practice another Leetcode problem, which is to implement strStr. So first we will read the question and we will see what we have to do according to question. So it says return the index of first occurrence of needle in a haystack or -1 if the needle is not a part of haystack. Clarification: what should we return when needle is an empty string? This is a great question to ask during. For the purpose of this problem, we will return 0 when needle is an empty string. Okay. So what we have to do here is we have to find substring from given string, and we will have to return the index of the substring which we found on the string. So here you can see examples are also given. So haystack is equal to hello and needle is equal to ln. So needle is substring here and haystack is string. So we will have to find ll in hello. So you can see ll is present in hello at index number 0, 1, 2. So index number 2, so it return 2. So in clarification, it's here it's given for the purpose of this will return 0 when needle is empty. So what if what if needle is empty string, then what will we return? So we will return 0. You can see here example, just haystack is equal to empty string, needle is equal to empty string, then it's return 0. And if there is another, let's take another scenario. Haystack is equal to some string and needle is equal to empty string, then also it returns 0. And here it's a -1 if needle is not a part of haystack. Okay, so if we don't found the substring in string which is haystack, so we will return -1. So this is what we have to do. So let's get into the code directly. I am writing the code try. Okay, then I will return haystack dot index, and I will put here needle except value error. Except value error. Okay, then return -1. This is what we have to do. So what this code does is, here I have written try. Inside try block I have written haystack dot index. So what this statement does is index. It will give you the index of the haystack, index of the needle, index of the substring which we found on the string haystack. So suppose I have given here haystack is equal to use. Okay, and I have given needle is equal to y. Okay, in string. So now I will write this statement here, return haystack dot index needle. Okay, so what it will does is it will give you it will return the index of y, which is the index of y in haystack. So index there will be 0 1 2, so it will be 2, sorry, it will be 2, index will be 2, it will return index here, and now it will go accept value error. If not, then it will return -1. So if this condition fail, it will here go, it will return -1. So let's run the code, that's it's working or not. So it's working. Let's check another test cases. Let's say this is empty, run the code. Yeah, 0. According to in a clarification it suggests we will return 0 when middle is empty string. Okay, now we will check another test cases. This is also empty string, then let's see what it's what it will return. So it's also written 0. Now let's check the condition of -1. So let's take use, and let's take r. Okay, now it should return -1. Yeah, okay, now I will submit it. It's accepted. So that's for the video. Thank you.